Hello everyone, continuation to the previous session. Today we will check file test commands. If we pass a variable is a file, so we need to check whether the argument is a file or directory. It has a link file, direct uh, character file. It has a read, write, execute permission. How to check? Hyphen F. It returns true when it is a regular file. Hyphen D. Directory, it when it is a directory it returns true. Hyphen L means it's a link file. Hyphen B, it's a block special file. Hyphen C means character special file. Hyphen E means it returns a true when a file is exist. Hyphen S, it returns true when file is not empty. Hyphen R, it returns true when has a read permission. Hyphen W means it has a write permission. Hyphen X is have when it returns true when the file is having executable file permission. Let's see with the example. Echo hyphen N, enter the file name, read a directory, sorry, read a file name, file. Now check hyphen F dollar file, then echo dollar file is a regular file, else is not a file. Chmod plus X file check. This is a sample file. It has read write permission and it is a file. See here, it's a regular file. For example, mkdir dir1, that is a directory. If fnd file echo is a directory, else not a directory. Closing the if statement. Now this is not a file means previous if statement. This is the directory statement. Okay, now check whether it has a read permission. Hyphen R, has a read permission. If just clear this one, hyphen w dollar file echo has a write permission. Again, if hyphen x dollar file, then echo dollar file has no execute permission, exit permission. Else, sorry, exe permission, right? Echo no exe permission. So here inner if is clause, else echo no write permission, middle if clause, else echo no read permission. F5. Okay, now check. This is a read permission, write permission, no exe permission. Now check chmod 000 text.txt. What happened now? Let's see. Here, if this true, then only it will enter into in between. So if has no read permission, so that's why it's completely exit here. Has no read permission, right? Okay. Okay. What we see just files right now. What about strings? Strings means, for example, if we pass a string to the variable hyphen z means check whether it returns true if string is empty. Hyphen n means it's not empty. Okay, let's see with example. Enter any string, read str if z str, then echo given string is empty, else str is not empty. chmod plus x is empty. It's not empty, so it's empty, right? Nothing there. Okay, in C language or any other language, there is a one case control, that is a switch case in C, C++, Java. Similarly, we have case control in shell. Case, the syntax is case, then variable in pattern 1. Some statements, semicolon, pattern 2, some statements, semicolon, two semicolons, continuation to the pattern n, statements, here, star, what it means, semicolon, then closing with for example, if statement is closing with the fi in reverse order, so here also case in reverse order, or you can see a s e e s a c. Okay, thus here star means if the entire pattern doesn't match, so this is the default one. Okay, let's see with example. Echo fn, enter any number, read n, case $n in, if it is a 1, echo 1 semicolon, 2 echo two, 3 4 star, echo enter between 1 to 4 only. Case E S A C. Okay, now chmod plus x case testing, 3, for example 5, nothing, 1. See one more example. For example, if a user enter a character to check whether it is a digit, character, or a special number, enter any character, read C, case $C in, check whether it is small a to small z or capital A to capital Z. echo alpha beta. If 0 to 9 echo, it's a digit. Other than 0 to 9 or A to Z, capital A to capital Z. Then echo, it's a special character. Okay, none of the above. Wrong character. Okay, ch mode plus x. For example, I press 3 digit D star bracket hyphen. Okay, one example, January, February, March, or the first quarter. Okay, April, May, June, second quarter, July, August, September, third quarter, October, November, December, fourth quarter. This is the practice program you must practice. For example, if I enter capital J here, then small letters or John or Jane, any type, whatever I give the input, so that must be in first quarter. Let's try this one. We will see in next session this example.